Okay, so we can all have a better view of the waterfall. So, Mr. Atta, is this the only path people use to get to the waterfall, or there is another way out?
Oh, actually, that is the only place. But when it comes to the swimming, people used to climb this stone and get into the mountain, the top of the mountain over there, and fall into the water. And sometimes those who cannot pass here, they pass the other channel to get into the top and fall into it.
But why do they do that? Why would they have to climb to the top and then jump? It could be risky.
Really, it's very risky. But to them, they know how to do it, so it's not all that risky for them. They know how to swim, so they know that when they get inside, nothing will happen to them. So with that one too, it makes you as a perfect swimmer, someone who can swim very well. Yeah, and it also creates a fun for the person because it's a competition. When it's the time, it's a competition,
Okay. So can anyone at all climb to the top and then jump?
Unless you are perfect. If you are not perfect, you can't climb.
But then, okay, in case you are not perfect and yet you want to try, is there a possibility that you can die or maybe get hurt?
The thing is, within you, you will know that you can climb. Or even when you climb, you can fall into it. So we don't encounter a problem that someone is not all that perfect, climb this thing and fall. Never.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Looking at the falls here, at the other side there are rocks, but then here it seems like there are no rocks, or?
There's rock, but the rock is deep. Yeah.
Okay. But then at that side there's a rock, and like you said earlier on, you said people jump from the top. They stand at the top and then jump into the falls. So why wouldn't they maybe crash with the rock? Because where it is, one can also get hit.
Oh, for them, those who used to jump from the top, they are from this town, so they know where the rock is. So before you can also do that, unless you are also in this town and you know where the rocks has been located, that is it.
Okay, so that means if you are not a native of this town and you try jumping, you can wound yourself.
No. Maybe you are not a native of this town, but you know how to swim. You get it? So you can also jump.
Okay. Thank you very much.
From here, we made our way to the top of the falls.
Alright, so we are on top of the waterfall, and at this point the rocks here are very slippery, so the least mistake you will be going down there. So watch us as we catch some fun over here.
We further asked Mr. Atta about the river which forms the waterfall.
All right, we are on top of the waterfall, but then it's a river. So, Mr. Atta, we want to know where this river is coming from because we can see it's coming from a far distance. So,
Okay, this river is coming from a certain village called Brukum. It's very far. So as it comes from that place, the name has been given to it Bukudo. The door means stream, that flow. You get it? So it comes from a certain village far away, about 25 kilometers. Yeah.
okay. So, like you said earlier on, you were saying that people stand here and then jump into the waterfall. So, how is it done? Because I can feel the rock here is very slippery, that one can fall.
Okay, actually, those who have been jumping, when you get to this place, you cannot come back again unless you jump. And also, they have been jumping, so it becomes something part of their swimming. Do you get it? So it's not something that is very difficult for them. That's it.
Okay, okay. Okay, so since this river is Bugudo, why is the waterfalls called Otropker Waterfalls instead?
The water comes from Brukum, but the fall is at Otropker over here. So we cannot say Brukum Waterfall because the fall has located over here. That's why it has been named Otropker Waterfall.
Oh, okay, that's nice, that's nice. So as you can see, this is a point where one can jump or one can stand and then jump into the waterfall. But then, like Mr. Asa said earlier on, he said at the first juncture you can come back. But then when you get to the second step, you coming back will be very difficult because that side is very slippery. So once you stand there, you have to jump into the falls. I'm going to give it a try though.
Okay, so it's been time at Splash Africa at the Otropker Waterfalls. It's been fun, it's been educative, it's been, thrilling. Charlie, like the vibe alone. So we've learned a lot, we've come a long way. It's been very, very, very great. So you do catch us in our next video. We promise to bring you more great stuff. Bye.